In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove or disable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Binance account. Now, before we dive in, I'd like to remind you to exercise caution. Turning off 2FA can significantly reduce your account's security and leave you more vulnerable to unauthorized access. If you've lost access to your 2FA device, consider going through a reset process instead of disabling it entirely. Now, with that important note out of the way, let's jump into the details. First things first, go ahead and log in to your Binance account. You can do this through either the website or the mobile app, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile or account section. From there, head over to Security. This is where we keep all the security features of your account well organized and within easy reach. Once you're at the Security section, you'll notice the 2FA section. It's usually quite visible and will list options like Authenticator app, email, and SMS. Depending on how you initially set up your 2FA, these options give you control over how you want to secure your account further. Now, in this area, look for a Manage option. This is your gateway to making any necessary changes to your 2FA settings. When you find the specific 2FA method you want to remove, let's say it's the Authenticator app or maybe an email verification, keep an eye out for an icon or link that usually looks like a trash can or is labeled Remove or Disable. This icon is what you'll need to click on to initiate the removal process. Doing so will typically prompt a security verification step. This is an essential part of the process to ensure that it is indeed you making these changes and not anyone else. You'll likely be asked to enter your current password. Depending on your settings, you might also need to enter a code from one of your remaining 2FA methods. By doing this, you're both confirming the action and maintaining a layer of security until the procedure is complete. Once all the necessary checks are completed, your 2FA method will be successfully removed or disabled according to your instructions. Remember, with the 2FA disabled, your account is more vulnerable, so make sure you have other security measures in place and consider reactivating it as soon as possible. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to remove or disable 2FA from your Binance account. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to keep your account secure and, as always, let me know if you have any questions or need additional assistance in the comments below.